Hey teacher travelers, I'm Jamie from ESL Teacher 365. I love teaching English abroad, and in my Teach English Abroad step-by-step series, I share all my tips and tricks on how you can find a job to teach English abroad. Today's episode will focus on how to teach English abroad as a native English speaker with a bachelor's degree. If you aren't a native English speaker or you don't have a bachelor's degree, don't worry. I have videos coming out for you soon, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss those. Teach English abroad, step number 1, get TEFL certified. To teach English abroad, you'll need a TEFL certificate. TEFL stands for Teaching English as a Foreign Language, and you'll need a certificate of at least 120 hours to teach English abroad. If you don't have a TEFL certificate, then you can check out the link down below for one that I recommend. Another option is to complete your TEFL course abroad. This is a great way to start your teach abroad adventure because often once you've finished your course in that foreign country, they will help place you in a local school or language academy. It's a great way to easily find a job abroad. Teach English abroad, step number 2, decide where you want to look for jobs. Now that you have your TEFL certificate, it's time to decide where you want to look for jobs. As a native English speaker with a bachelor's degree, the world really is your oyster in terms of teaching English abroad. There are lots of countries that are looking for teachers like you. So you have 3 options: applying to language assistant programs, applying to schools from abroad, or applying to schools in country. We'll take a look at each one of those. If you're overwhelmed by the Teach Abroad process, make sure to fill out my survey linked down below to see how I can help. Language assistant programs are easy to apply to and one of the best ways to get started teaching English abroad. A language assistant is there to support a local teacher in the classroom with English classes. Language assistant duties vary from school to school and program to program. As a language assistant in Spain, I had a lot of different duties, including correcting pronunciation, creating PowerPoints for the science units, teaching different games, helping out with cultural activities, teaching songs and dances in English, and even teaching British grammar as an American, which, it was a little bit weird. If you'd like to learn more about the top language assistant programs, then check out this video where I talk about different programs in Spain, France, Japan, South Korea, and more. So let's take a look at the Teach English Abroad step-by-step process for language assistant programs. Step 1, read the eligibility requirements and application timelines. Then decide which programs you'd like to apply to. I recommend applying to a few different programs. Step 2, prepare application documents like letters of recommendation, personal statements, passport copies, and more. This varies from program to program. Step 3, submit your application as soon as applications open. A lot of the programs function on a first-come, first-served basis. Step 4, wait for your acceptance and accept your placement once notified. If you've applied to more than one program, accept your placement in the one you want the most. Step 5, begin the visa process. Teach Abroad programs usually help you with this process. Make sure to begin the visa process as soon as you're accepted, since getting background checks and certified copies of documents can take a long time. And finally, step 6, prepare to teach abroad. If you need help getting your Teach Abroad finances sorted or ideas on what to pack as an English teacher abroad, then make sure to check out these videos. If you're a bit adventurous or would like to apply to teach English in a country where there aren't any language assistant programs, then you can apply to schools and placement agencies directly. Here's the Teach English Abroad step-by-step process for applying to schools or agencies directly. Step 1, get your Teach Abroad resume ready. For some tips, check out this video. Step 2, search for jobs or placement agencies on job boards. I'll link a few job boards down below that you can check out. Do be careful because these job boards are full of scams. To find out how to avoid common Teach Abroad scams, check out my blog post linked down below. Step 3, set up interviews and prepare a demo lesson. Most interviews will be conducted on Skype or Zoom. Make sure to prepare a short demo lesson and lesson plan in case they ask you to teach it as part of the interview. Some interviews may involve a demo video as well. Step 4, ask to speak to a current foreign teacher. See what the person likes and dislikes about the school. I don't recommend speaking with a local teacher since they're sometimes paid by the school to say only positive things. Step 5, negotiate your contract. Make sure the pay fits what other teachers are making, the teaching hours and conditions are fair, and the benefits are what you were looking for. Your visa type should also be mentioned in the contract. Step 6, read through your contract and make sure it's 100% correct. Sign it and you can begin the visa process. Another option, which is best for avid travelers, is applying in country. This is how I got my teaching positions in Australia. I arrived on a work holiday visa, and then I applied by email to schools once I was already in the country. Here's the Teach English Abroad step-by-step process for applying to schools in country. If you're already in a foreign country on a student or tourist visa, you can often apply to teaching positions. Make sure to check with the local visa laws to make sure this is legal to avoid being deported. Each country has different visa rules and restrictions, so make sure to do your research. Step 1. Print off copies of your Teach Abroad resume and teaching portfolio. Step 2. Search for local language academies and schools. Stop by in person with your resume and portfolio, or contact them over the phone or by email. Step 3. Be prepared to interview if stopping by in person. Set up interviews if contacting schools by phone or email. Step 4. Once you've been offered a job, negotiate your pay and conditions, read over the contract, and sign it. And finally, step 5. In some cases, your school may sponsor you to change from a tourist visa to a work or business visa. You'll then need to begin this process. I hope this video shows you how you can get started teaching English abroad as a native English speaker with a bachelor's degree. Check out my one-on-one Teach Abroad coaching programs linked down below if you need a little extra help getting your Teach Abroad adventure started. Make sure to subscribe for more Teach Abroad videos and give this video a like if you learned something new today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy teaching, and remember, the world is yours to teach and explore.